Dax79 here with a little toy to play with. Little drone, not professional, just a toy. I've seen little ones that everyone gets at Christmas. This one's a little bit more expensive. 14 plus on it. Not for babies, bloody, jogging hazard, small parts. It is a Zreo Hunter. 4 engines, VTOL. Adult supervision is highly recommended. Never touch blades when they are spinning. I'm expecting this to be military grade by the sounds of this. Got cameras. No children to go near it. Remote control 4D V27. Sounds absolutely ooh-rah. Instructions. Little remote control. Little battery. There's a little battery. There's 2 batteries. Fins for the back. Got a wheel. Another wheel. We got the Zreo Hunter. Another wheel. 3 wheels. Parts. So we've got some extra fins. 2, 3, 4. Guess that means they're expecting us to break them. So here's the first bit. Assemble the vertical wings. They slide on. Yeah, Tom Cruise, you better watch out. Assemble the landing gear. Turn over the Zreo Hunter. We got a wheel. One of them is bent in a different manner. I don't want to press too hard. I don't want it to break. I don't know how far they go in. All the way in. Okay. Getting old. You're going with the springs pointing backwards. So like that. It's got that little circle, points backwards. So like that. They just insert into your Zreo Hunter. You getting sick of that yet? Next one, wing blades installation. Already got my wings, they're already on. Alright, so if you break them, top comes off and a little screwdriver. Just here, a little screwdriver. Blade 1, A2, so B1, A2, and A2. So you've got 2 A2s and a B1. And you've got a B2, a B1, an A1, and an A1. Oh, there we go. It's got one at the back for landing as well. Right, I get it. So you've got a full set of blades there as well. Lithium battery. Charging instructions. It has got a USB. And to charge them, you just clip that onto there. Pop that. Oh, got a little red light on it. We insert that into the rear of the device. It's in. There we go. We've got a little camera there. And we've got a little aerial there, which is great. It's all stuck in. Right, this is looking good, eh? We'll get the other battery on charge. So when it's charging, there's no lights. Maybe it's already charged. I would have presumed you'd had some sort of indication that it's charging. So, I guess batteries are not included. We need 3 AAAs. Battery 1, battery 2, battery 3. They're all different makes, as it were, but front pops up for your phone. Power. Rotate. As long as I know where emergency stop is. Don't fly near power lines. How do we sync the camera? There's always a QR code. Always a QR code now. There we go. Is it a boy thing? Man thing. But whenever we have a little vehicle, we've got to. I don't know if girls do that. The question is my phone going to be too heavy? Downloading the app. We'll go to the Google Store, install. 93%. Installing. Name that tune. This is a Harrier, isn't it, really? They don't even do Harriers anymore. Okay, so I'm guessing straight away my phone ain't gonna fit in it when it's open. Not a chance. But let's see how this works. So, connect to the device, please. How do I do that? Oh, let's do that. Ba. Yeah. Not just a Harrier. Connect to device, please. Turn power on the craft. Enter the settings of your mobile device or iPad. Oh, I see. You don't even need. I think you can just touch screen it. But the iPad's never going to fit in the thing. Open your wireless networks. It's Wi-Fi then. There it is. The G1L connected. Okay, cool. Connected. Cool. All right. So turn it off. Turn it back on again. Are we on? It's got a link to music when it's flying. Got to have danger zone. Turn the power on. Why? Settings. Right, off. Alright, there's two wireless networks. One of them is for the device, one of them is for... Let's get closer. There we go. Here you can see. Let's find out. Right, you can either use... Right, you either use your device or the controls. And maybe then, if I open this up... Whoa. Right, here we go. Shall we play? Shall we try it out? Right, let's try it from the floor. The instructions again. Connected, but it's just driving around on the floor. Throttle is that side. Okay, right. So, yeah, let's try this. Let's try. At this point, I'm going to have wrecked it before we've even got it flying. Shit. Right, let's do it. Only bent the wheels. How the heck are you supposed to fly this thing? How do you get it in the sky? Stop. Muktal car, it's fantastic. That on. Calibration. Calibration must be completed only when an aircraft is placed on a horizontal plane. Turn it on. So your power, 2, 3, calibrate. Yes, it's all flashing and we are off. Right, so power, up, down, hold, flashes. Now it's fully calibrated. Yeah. Tom Cruise, eat your heart out. You can click it up. We nearly hit the camera. My goodness, it took some time, but it works. So let's tell you how you do that, because you're probably like me at Christmas now on YouTube looking for some guy who knows how to work it. You do this. The controller's off. Your Tom Cruise mobile is off. You turn it on and it starts to flash. You put it down. You get your controller, you press the power button once, up and down, and then hold your finger on plus. Lights stop flashing, it needs to be on a flat surface. Now it's stopped flashing, it's ready to go. This, you click up and it will turn it on. And then again. Black Hawk down, Black Hawk down. My goodness. I think you need to play with it in an open space. Oh yeah, hover around, it's got a camera on it and everything. You can even play different music by the looks of it in the app. Last thing in your mind is listening to music and looking at your camera, because he's a little bit of a wild one. So, what rating shall I give this? It says 14 plus. Yes. There's going to be a lot of people on Christmas morning that are going to have destroyed these before the turkey's cut. It's a little confusing at first, once you've worked out that little system, turn it on, and then take it outside, fly it into a tree. There is the emergency stop button just here, but to be quite honest, once it's flying around going crazy, you're just pressing everything, trying to work out how to stop it. I'm going to give it looks like great fun. And it's better than the little helicopters that came out. I'm going to give this a nice 4-star, because I think it is actually going to last a bit longer. And once it's destroyed, you have got this cool little camera system in there that no doubt you'll rip out or into something. Oh, when this is smashed up and broken, I'm going to put my camera on my little robot Hoover so I can watch it going around the house. That was fun. Only took 57 minutes to film that video. Obviously I'm going to edit it, but most of that video is me trying to work out how the hell to get this thing to fly. DAX 79 out. Doo doo.